system. Let's start a hypothetical business started by Mr. Work. Mr. Work starts a retail store which sells orange phones with a capital of $1 lakh on 1st January 2020. Let's try to journalize the following transaction. So in this case, the business is getting $1 lakh from Mr. Work. Mr. Work is the owner of this business. So the thing that the business is getting is $1 lakh. $1 lakh will be debit. So bank account debit $1 lakh to this amount is payable to Mr. Work, who is the owner of this business. So his contribution will be nothing but equity into the business. So it will be crediting the equity. Now let's record the same transaction in an Excel. Now let's journalize this transaction. This is the first transaction that we are recording in the books of accounts, and this transaction was incurred on 1st Jan 2020. And here what we have decided, we are getting the amount into our bank. So bank account will be debited by $10,000 and equity will be credited, as this amount is payable to Mr. Work, $10,000. This is the way we record the any transaction. So we can give a narration to the transaction if at a later point of time we want to understand this transaction better, being the amount received as equity from